Sup nerds, D-Man Versus here, and today got a little bit different video. Just got a new puppy recently. His name's Phantom, and I just have a compilation of like little videos I've acquired from him over the last couple of weeks on Snapchat that I'm showing y'all because he's cute and these are funny. Him interacting with some of our cats, just being cute in general. You know. He hangs out, he watches Avatar with us, and I thought it'd be funny and cute. It's not my usual content. I probably won't upload anything like this ever again, but I do hope you guys still enjoy it. Like and subscribe, leave a comment of what you thought. Leave me all the comments of how cute and funny he is, and all the great stuff. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll get to the video. Peace. Phantom. What are they doing to you? Oh. 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 Yeah, that's right, Winnie. Get him. Don't stand to his shit. Oh, she got one. Oh, it's okay, bro. It's not that big deal. It's not a big deal. Oh shit. Oh damn, Ollie's pissed. Bro man! Bro man! There's nothing back there for you. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh, what is it, bud? Oh shit. That's right, Whoa. Bro man, she's not doing anything to you. We hear you loud and clear. And device too. Hold up. Well, get her, Phantom. Come on. Oh, no. Oh. Come on. Oh my goodness.
Phantom! Phantom!
Get up and let her have it.
What are you doing?
Oh, okay. Well, I distracted him. Oh. Go get her. Oh dear. Oh shit.
He's talking big game.
He is. My shoes are in the middle.
There's definitely gonna be a casualty.
Is there? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Olivia, be a lady. You just can't stand it. He wants to play so bad.
Oh, he's got a scratch. He's got an itch. Why are your feet like that, bro? That can't be normal. Oh, he's just inching closer. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit.
He's like, Dad, make her play with me.
Where'd he go? Oh. Oh dear.
She got her ears pinned back and everything.
Oh shit.
Oh my goodness.
It's a little hops for me. Oh, he's got snuff where she was at. Damn, she's still. Yeah, enough.
What's the matter? She's so mean to you.
Come here.
Phantom, you like this?